This morning, wanted to start a print on the HUD, and when I started off it was throwing up error after error. It turns out it was an AMS error, and when I had a look, this spool here was just spinning freely. The filament had actually broken off from the puller here. So if you have a look inside, I'll show you what happened. Inside this PTFE tube here, the filament had broken off. Not in the main line, just in here, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. Luckily, we have an AMS 2 Pro. If this was the original AMS 1, you'd be taking all the filaments out, unscrewing bits, unplugging wires, and it's a complete nightmare. But Bambu thought about this, and for the AMS 2 Pro, what you're going to want to do is take your filaments out, like this. Now, my tube is stuck here. These two are fine, so I'm going to leave these in. You want to come around the back and pull out this PTFE tube. You're going to press this button in, and that just releases. So you're going to release that there, open it up, and you can see there's a little button here that you're going to want to press in. So if I just press this in and give that a yank, that comes out there. So now that this is disconnected, you're going to take a spare bit of filament. You can be lazy and do it with the spool, but I have this lying around, and you're just going to want to feed that into the tube there. Now as you push it through, you can watch the line and you'll see that start to move. So you can see that's coming out at the end there. You can keep feeding that through, or you can just pull it out. That's the culprit. So you can throw this away, pull your filament back out, and it's the same process in reverse. So tube goes back in, just give that a push, throw that in, give it a little tug to make sure it's secure. Now if you want to come around the back, main line goes back in, there. You can see that slots right in, and when there's a bit of resistance, you know it's in. And you can check in there just to make sure it's secure. Make sure that's all good. And all you have to do from there is put your filament back in, and off you go. And that's what happens if a bit of filament breaks off in your AMS, and how you fix it.